Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress. So today we will see how to log into your website. Okay, so in order to log into your website, first of all you have to enter the name of your website. So basically name of my website is aestheticdebonair.com. After that you have to give one backslash, you have to say wp-admin and again one forward slash, and you have to enter. Okay, so after this your WordPress admin panel will be opened up. So this is your WordPress admin panel. You have to enter your username and username or email and password over here. But if you don't want to enter your username and password over again and again, then what you can do is you can just enter your username or email ID once and the password once, and just click on this remember me tab over here, and you just have to click on login. And once you're done with that, you will be logged into your website. Okay, so let me just enter my username and password. Okay, so this is my username and which is basically the email and the password. Then I will say login, and once you enter your correct details, you will be logged in and you will be directly taken to the dashboard of your website, from where you can control all the functionalities of your website. Okay, so this is how you can log into your website. Thanks for watching.